Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here today to show you my new Mustang I bought 2 weeks ago. I was going to do a vid, but it just kept having problems, but now I mostly got them fixed. So, this is 1996 Mustang GT with a 4.6 liter V8. Aftermarket air intake. This sounds like a turbo when you floor it, which actually sounds pretty good. But just had to replace the idler pulley and the pulley below it, which is, or not the pulley, but the belt tensioner pulley. Well, I guess it is pulley, but I had to do that because it was squeaking real bad. I need to get, no, I'm not going to do that now, but I need new coolant. But yeah, that's the engine. I need to find a way to bring the color back in the headlights because it's just bad. It looks better in the camera than it does in real life, but you know, whatever. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you the interior. It's got 107,000 miles, but the odometer is broken, so that's probably lying. But yep, power windows, everything. It's automatic, but I'm not picky about that. But aftermarket stereo, and the speakers actually are really nice. They work beautifully. The seats are a little torn, but I mean, for 20 years old, you can't really ask for much more. But I just love the interior of this car. I like the style of it. The back seats got some crap from the car show this morning that got canceled, but that's pretty much inside. I'm going to start it up and do a engine thing for you. Wait till my neighbor passes here. This thing is just amazing. I'm in love, honestly. But I'm gonna pause it right here while I get my assistant or slash brother to come and hold the camera for me while I get you the back view. Be right back. Show you the exhaust here. Actually, oh, the grass is still wet. But, it's got a MagnaFlow exhaust on it. It's dual. Well, it's got the mufflers at least, and then it's all original, all the way up to the headers and after the mufflers. But I'm planning on getting all of that stuff done, so it's a lot louder. It sounds amazing. So, yeah, that's been it. Turn do a little driving here. This thing, I can't even explain how happy I am that I got it. I used to have a truck just like that actually, but mine was a long cab.
Yeah, it's green, but it looks blue. It looks blue right now.
But I sold that for $1,200 and I bought this thing for $1,900, so I got a hell of a deal. This thing screams. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. You have no idea. Yeah, he actually has a Camaro. It's not half bad, but it's convertible. I hate convertibles. I don't know why. They're just gross. Unless they're older cars, then that's acceptable.
Like this?
Braden, this isn't old. This is 20 years. I'm talking about like 50 and on. This thing probably has 200 25 horsepower stock with the V8 engine. And the V6s have like maybe at least 2 or something like that. Hey, look, there's Bryson. How's it going, Bryson? Not much. How are you?
Looking back on it all was a lie. At your friend's house and there's no other guy. Surprise, and look who you're with. I'm not trying to diss, I'm just telling you this. And your feelings may fade, but your memories stick. Hope you're happy with him.
In the cornfield, people hide him.
Honestly, hope you're happy with him. And he does all the things that I wanted, I tried, but I couldn't. Could keep going on, but I know that I shouldn't waste any more time. Shouldn't waste any more lines. When you're drunk off the wine, do you find me crossing your mind? We knew this would happen with time, but I think that we finally figured it out. That we would just never work out. I tried picking you up, you tried pulling me down. Now life without you is where happy is found. And right now I'm just focused on music. Trust you would lose it. Ripped out my heart, you abused and you used it. Love's not a label on Facebook where they gave you everything like girl, wait, look, but you didn't care. I would just stare at my wall and you gave me no reason at all when you left. Pick myself up and you made me feel less. Much better off than that at the test. Well, now let's just put it to
Finish off this video, I was just going to show you the sound system. It's all stock sound system, I'm pretty sure, except for the new stereo. But hey, who cares? It's actually very well improved. But let's get this started. Yeah, this song here seems to really sound amazing on this car. Or in this car, I should say. But, yeah, that's been about it. I'm hoping to get in touch with my friends that own Street Scum Garage on YouTube. I think they changed their name to Drift Team Fluid or something like that. So I'd like to go give them a like and subscribe. They would really appreciate it. So, thank you. Have a great day.